Now, exclusive Storm Tracker Doppler weather with meteorologist Chase Ward.
Starting off clear and quiet, we're not tracking anything on Doppler radar. There are just kind of a few passing clouds just across parts of South Arkansas. High pressure itself has already begun to kind of move across the Gulf Coast and move a little bit further off to the east as our winds will kind of start to shift more suddenly. You can see on the upper levels there's a lot of clouds rolling in out of the north and northwest. Temperatures, they're just below freezing, upper 20s, around 28, 29 degrees, and then other places 30, 31 degrees. So make sure you're bundling up. There is a light breeze, so wind chill factors have been pushing the temperatures down to the mid-20s in a lot of locations. 26 degrees for Ruston, 27 in El Dorado and Monticello. We do have freeze warnings that are in effect for our easternmost parishes because a lot of our eastern zones kind of didn't really get a hard freeze last night, but you could definitely see it as we kick off this morning where elsewhere we definitely kind of verified that we did. So it was kind of the first freeze of the season, and fortunately temperatures themselves are actually going to be warming up. Winds mainly out of the south now between 3 to 5 miles per hour, pushing up to possibly 10 to 15 as we kind of go into this afternoon. So we're looking kind of to see a breezy day, and that will continue even overnight tonight. And then as we kind of start going into parts of tomorrow as well, and it might still be between 5 to 10 as we kind of close the week out. We do have ongoing drought though, and due to the fact that our conditions still remain dry, we will see potential elevated fire danger a little bit because of the winds as they are, and of course we are in much dire need of some rainfall, especially to the northern parts of southern Arkansas. Now the good news is dew points probably going to increase a little bit, so it does help out somewhat. Bust up forecast, cold now. Afternoon we'll hit into lower 60s for our daytime highs pretty much everywhere. We'll probably just hit upper 50s for areas up to the north in Arkansas, and then for tonight it won't be as cold. We'll actually manage to stay well above freezing in the mid 40s area wide, but winds could still be between 5 to 10 miles per hour, so I'd probably still put the wind chill lower 40s, quite possibly even upper 30s. High pressure will continue to move off to the east. We'll have a frontal boundary up to the north. We are expecting a chance for rain returning as we kind of look more at the long-term forecast, which is good news for us considering that we do have ongoing drought. Now, if we look at the more long-range model, this is kind of going through the start of the weekend. Saturday, we kind of look to see if we might see some stuff late Saturday evening, but we kind of update the models a bit, so it's looking like we might wait more on Sunday before we start to see our best chance of rain returning, and this will kind of go into Monday and then early parts of next week. There might be some lingering stuff through next week as well. So today, mainly quiet. It's going to be dry still, lots of sunshine. The winds, they'll still remain southerly though, 10, 15 miles per hour with some of these wind gusts, and as we go into tomorrow with the higher dew points, we'll start to see a little increase in our cloud cover. So tonight we're going to fall to mid 40s, then for tomorrow we're going to see temperatures in the mid-upper 70s as we continue to climb, and then by the weekend we're still dry, but rain looks like to return later on next week. So that's turning it back. Watch MSN News Today.